Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving from Maxfield Avenue to Half Way Tree. So we just turned onto Maxfield Avenue from Spanish Town Road and we're going to be heading to the Half Way Tree area, or heading to Half Way Tree. So this is Maxfield Avenue, very busy road if you are going from Spanish Town Road to Half Way Tree. This is the main road you would take. Also, if you're coming from downtown Kingston, this is one of the main roads you would take to get to Half Way Tree. Now, Half Way Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, and it's a major transportation hub. So, I guess you could say all roads lead to Half Way Tree. But if you're coming from downtown Kingston, or more specifically from the Spanish Town Road area, this is the road you would take. Today is a Sunday, so the road isn't that busy, but Maxfield Avenue also has a lot of communities off it, so this is a very busy place during the week. Sundays in Jamaica are traditionally a very slow day. A lot of places don't even open. On the left is the German school, which is a hard trust NTA facility, the Jamaica German Automotive School, and that's where you can train to be a mechanic. Very, very good institution. On the left is the Maxfield Park Children's Home. This intersection, if you turn right, you go onto Lyndhurst Avenue. No, sorry, that's not this intersection. This intersection is the Lyndhurst Avenue intersection. This intersection now is Balmoral Avenue, where the stoplight is, but you can't turn right onto Balmoral Avenue here. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, that's not Balmoral Avenue. This intersection is Balmoral Avenue. That intersection takes you onto Cargill Avenue, and that takes you back to Half Way Tree Road. On the left is the Jesus Christ is the Lord Church. On the right is the Ministry of Transport and Works and the NWA, National Works Agency. On the left is the Ministry of Transport and Mining. Okay, Half Way Tree Police Station is on the right, as well as the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court, or it's often referred to as the St. Andrew Parish Court. On the right is the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Half Way Tree Station. Okay, the NWA used to be in the Ministry of Transport and Works. Now, every time a new government comes to power, they change up the names of the ministries. So the ministry used to be Ministry of Transport and Works, and NWA was in that ministry, but the new ministry is the Ministry of Transport and Mining, and the NWA is no longer in that ministry. The NWA is now in the Ministry of Economic Growth, and the NWA is the government agency responsible for the main roads in Jamaica and the bridges. So a very important entity or agency. So this is the Half Way Tree area now, and we are now on Eastwood Park Road. At the intersection where the fire brigade was, that stoplight, that's where Maxfield Avenue ends, and when we went across to that, we went on to Eastwood Park Road. So we're currently on Eastwood Park Road in Half Way Tree. We're going to turn here and go on to Derrymore Road, which will take us up to Constant Spring Road. Okay, so straight ahead is Constant Spring Road. Now today is a Sunday, so Half Way Tree is not that busy, but during the week it's a very busy place. Alright, so we're now going on to Constant Spring Road, and we're in the Half Way Tree area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.